Yo, me general.
Yo, what gone conscious?
You pre the cleansing from the sky from what year?
Cleansing from the sky. Brother, what you
Yeah,
talking
man,
about?
the cleansing.
Cleansing with you mean the rain that fall
A
from what
rain
year?
you call it.
But a rain it name?
It is a cleanse, gotta try cleanse Jamaica.
Yeah, man, brother, rainy season, my youth. What you talking about cleanse Jamaica?
Rainy season.
Yeah.
Youth, you not pre the thing right,
Yeah,
you know, youth.
Everything with a pre.
You know, say it's a sign.
What
So
kind
hear me
of
now.
sign?
Pre what me I say you.
Okay.
Why you feel like so the father would have cleanse
Me
you?
don't know, brother. Brother,
You know, so me always tell
Yeah,
you,
the
say
man,
you
yeah, the
nah use your brain, youth. Your brain come in like reggae boys midfield.
Yeah.
You're supposed to have it, you know. But you nah use it, youth.
You can allow me out to know my youth.
Pre the sign with me, youth.
What kind of sign?
Why you feel like say Marcus Garvey Drive ever flooded?
Can the road build good, obviously?
It's a sign,
You the
youth.
one who sign.
What Marcus Garvey did say.
Me don't know what Marcus Garvey did say. I know that.
You know, say he's not a scholar, youth. Marcus Garvey say, a people without a knowledge of them past history,
Okay.
them origin, and them culture,
Alright.
is like a tree without root, youth.
Okay, so what's happening?
You don't realize that Jamaica lose the whole of our history and our culture.
Lord have mercy.
We not have no roots.
Alright, so.
Yeah?
Alright.
How you feel like so we are get back to our roots now?
Me don't know plant some tree or something and make them cut.
You know, say it's a done spot.
Yo, I got the phone for you.
We find our roots in our anthem.
Okay.
In a things like we pledge and them thing the youth.
Alright.
Go and go read the words.
What
And them foundational thing.
But me know them where they
And we will find back with culture and with roots.
But-
And
but-
that's
but-
why the father cleanse
Brother, why
we.
you call my phone, my
You
youth?
need for your pre
Why
the
you call my
thing
phone?
on a deeper levels.